Adding an estate checklist template in RightCapital is a quick way to ensure that client plans start with the information you want. To get started, head to the Advisor portal, Templates, and Estate Checklist tab. Here, you can set up any estate checklist items you would want in a financial plan. You can check or uncheck the default items, or add in custom ones by selecting New Section. Once you're done, click Save. You can then save the template itself. From here, we have two ways to implement this template to a financial plan. First is you can select this Apply Template option and simply select the client or client group you would like to have the template. Alternatively, you can make this template the default moving forward for an entire client group. To set that up, head to the three dots here, also known as the More menu, select Client Settings and Client Groups. Here, you can find the client group you would like to apply the template to and then select Edit. In this drawer, you can select which default templates the client should have access to. Switch the estate template here and then press Save. Once that is done, future clients added to that client group will have the template applied from the start. And that will do it. Once the template is applied, you can check a client plan by opening it up and then heading to the Estate Checklist section. For more information on setting up estate checklist templates, you can check the Help Center or reach out to the support team.